stars, craving storms of silence nobody hears. Let your desperate falling tears fall like rain, rain like falling from the skies. No one knows that somewhere somebody cries. Let your tears fall, fall like rain. Fill your heart with a light, picking sparkling crumbs out of the stars, like a bird as it flies. Free your soul from the scars, spread your wings and break through the clouds. Let your chains fall like rain from the skies. Breeze of spring will set you free. Streams of hope keep flowing into the sea. Let your chains fall, fall like rain. Sparkling crumbs out of the stars, like a bird as it flies. Free your soul from the scars, spread your wings and break through the clouds. Let your chains fall like rain. No more tears, no more pain. Go and spread your